Hey friends, you're watching BrainStorm Acres. I'm Henry. Well, plans changed. Today I'd planned to finish working on the 1985 Chevy truck, pulling off the steering wheel. I'm all ready to do it. I have the impact wrench and everything else set up to go, but the wind was really awesomely bad. It was whipping around really, really bad. It was a chore driving into town today. But I managed to get in there and get back. There's a lot of things going on here in the homestead, including I just got a new air compressor to go into Irene's studio, and that's in there now. And there's a few other things that she has going on that will be helping. Our next door neighbor told me that he had to tear down his grandkids' treehouse because it doesn't look good and it's detracting from the value of his property. So he's been doing that for 2 days, and I get to have all the wood. So that means that tomorrow I'll be hauling wood from his place to my place. Again, free, so I'm going to take advantage of it. Today I made jalapeno jelly. It's a pretty simple recipe, doesn't take very long, and doesn't take long to jar it up in canning jars. To do the canning, Irene and I did water bath canning. We got 4 jars. We water bath canned it for 20 minutes. It only takes about 10, but we let it go for 20 minutes because the jelly had cooled down a bit. So that's all done. The jelly is ready to go on the shelves and be eaten with some Mexican food that we'll be making. We have all our ingredients ready to make the jalapeno jelly. We have 3/4 of a cup of sweet red pepper, 3/4 of a cup. Normally I use green bell pepper. I'm using yellow sweet pepper. One-third a cup of hot stuff, jalapeno peppers, diced and seeded. When I was busy cutting the jalapenos, I was careful to use some food handler gloves to try to keep the capsaicin juice off me. 2 3/4 cup of sugar, a lot of sugar. Half a cup of red wine vinegar. I'm down to the end of that bottle, so the color's not exactly red anymore. Now I'm just going to heat this over medium heat until it's hot. Three and a half cups of jalapeno jelly. Awesome stuff. It's ready to start eating it tomorrow. It'll gel up tonight and we'll have it for some Mexican food.